Hello, welcome to another episode of the Mark II Golf Stories. The sun's out and that means today is car day, and today I'm going to replace the radiator fan switch on my GTD. Nice easy job, perfect for working in the garden I think. Okay, so let's do it. This hose is going to get replaced pretty soon, by the way. Let's top one off. Let's get the radiator. Let's get the return hose off. Okay, and the bottom one is clips. It's clipped on actually. There we go. With those off, need to undo this. Not on top. We're saying 10mm. Yep, 10mm. There you go, that's that out. Same for these. There we go, that's come off. Okay. There we go, that's radiator out. This take it off. Okay, there's the old switch. Here's the new one. As you can see, it's the same connection, so that's good. The only spanner I could find to fit this nut is this massive 1 1/3 inch spanner. Let's see if we can get it off, eh? Oh, there we go. Easy peasy. That was really hard to do in the car. I tried it when it was on the engine and it was rock hard. So there you go, just unscrews. The new one just goes straight in. That easy. Now we need to put the radiator back on the car. Okay. Find the hoses. There's little holes for the radiator to sit in at the bottom. In some place you'll know because it'll click in place on both sides. Get the bottom hose on, the return hose. And your top hose. Okay. Then we'll get it back in place with these. These are freaking great. Nice and solid. Put this down there. And the switch for the fan plugs into the radiator down here. Then we're ready to put my butchered end back on my fan. Just get these clips back on. So there we go, that's the radiator replaced. Hopefully it all works, doesn't leak. If I found this helpful, drop a like, maybe click on subscribe and see what else we've got coming out. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.